Hello, I want to talk about my last vacation in Europe. A few months ago, during a trip in new many cities, including Paris, the capital of Lord. There is a delicious croissant bread. Totally true, I have never been in Europe, but I can't do it because I had worked very hard in order to save money to travel abroad. That's why I took the loan again, trip with my wife. In Europe is a dream, and I had very beautiful places I had never seen before. In Sweden, we went to play with the snow. There we enjoyed and laughed a lot. We haven't felt cold, but not too much like being under snow. However, I was one of the things we enjoyed the most. Then we traveled to Rome. I had admired to Pope Francis, so I didn't lack the opportunity to meet him. He has been the most famous person I had met. It was a unique experience. Finally, I had remembered something I did when we were in Madrid with rice, paella. I was special in delicious. I